In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find slack time in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward skill that's especially useful for managing and optimizing how you use Slack. So let's get right into it. To begin, make sure you're at a computer and have an internet connection. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the AI Work Management and Productivity Tools site, which is Slack. This is where all the magic happens, and we'll be diving into its vast array of tools and features to find Slack time. Once you've reached the Slack homepage, you should see an option to sign in. Instead of entering your credentials manually, click on the Sign In with Google button. This feature saves time and allows you to quickly access your Slack environment if you're using Google for your email and other communications. It's a convenient way to streamline logging into apps you frequently use. Now that you've signed in, you should find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is where you can see all your channels, direct messages, and recent activities. The dashboard serves as the command center for your communications, allowing you to manage conversations and notifications seamlessly. Next, we're going to focus on direct messages, which are often a central part of using Slack. Look for the DM or direct messages section on the dashboard. Once you're there, click on a direct message. It's important to note that communication here can include anything from casual chats to important project discussions with colleagues. This area offers great insight into your ongoing communications. When you click on a direct message, you'll be presented with the conversation thread. Now choose any message within the conversation. It's here that you'll take an extra step to find the exact timing of that message. Clicking on a message will trigger a pop-up to appear. This pop-up provides a comprehensive view, including the complete timestamp of when that message was sent. This detailed timestamp is what we refer to as slack time, and it can be incredibly helpful for tracking the flow of communication and managing your time efficiently. To wrap up, understanding how exactly to find slack time on these messages can greatly aid in prioritizing tasks and improving productivity within Slack. It's an easy and quick method to keep your workflow smooth and your communication clear. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and click around to become more familiar with all the features available. That's it for today's tutorial on finding slack time. Thanks for sticking with us, and we hope this helps streamline your Slack usage. Happy slacking.